of you have actually asked me to do a video of loading these ramps. These ramps I picked up at Harbor Freight for 150 bucks. They're foldable and they come with the straps here. So with the strap, what you're gonna wanna do, hook the strap down here. And then hook it down on your hitch where your chains would go. Then you're going to want to tighten this as much as possible, because you don't want your ramp to be able to slide out. It can't go anywhere. It could go up, but it ain't going to go up. So let's go ahead and get the other one on. In that comment section calling me a sis, but that's scary. As you guys can see, my ramps did lift up. Okay guys, I'm ready for the comment. So that's how you load up your ATV in the back of your truck. Now we're gonna strap it down. I'm gonna strap it down and then we'll be back to show you how to strap it down. All right guys, so now you can see how we got our straps in there. Now I'm going to walk around, and what I want you to do is take a mental note on how I have it strapped. It's all about strap placement with these style of straps. These style of straps are actually meant to be used straight down. If you do it straight down, the machine can rock. And not so much if you got the e-brake set, but if you got the e-brake set, it's not going to rock. But you don't want to rely on an e-brake or anything, and never ever 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 never ever haul them in park. If you guys want, I'll do a video for like the 4th time on why not to do it in park. Let me know in the comments. So this all plays a key role keeping these tight and keeping that four-wheeler in the bed. Here's the front, so you can see how we have those tied in there. Now come around here to the back, same thing. Same thing guys. You can see how we got that. Alright guys, we got the whole trailer loaded down. I sent Ronnie after some straps so I can strap that down and put a couple more straps on that. That way it won't go anywhere. Like I said guys, it's all about strap placement. We still gotta take some cans, get them filled up, then strap them in. Got all the tires strapped down. Now see how I have those straps, that strap right there pulling this way and that one pulling that way. It's so the buggy won't, it's not gonna rock, it doesn't go anywhere. Check this out. That's with the e-brake off. I gotta set the e-brakes yet. That sucker is dialed in big time. It's in there. I gotta throw a strap around that stuff in there, and we still gotta put coolers in the buggies. We always put the coolers and stuff in the buggies. So the buggies are actually empty right now. See that? Yeah, hers is empty right now. Check out these skulls I put on here. All of you guys suggested that we put something on there. She didn't want to. She wanted to leave them black, but we went to AutoZone and she actually seen some. She's like, "Oh, I'd like to have those for my car." And I said, "Why don't you put those on your doors?" And she's like, yeah, that would, yeah. So she brought them home and I put them on there for her. So she's all empty in there. We just got to get coolers in there and filled up. Plus Ronnie is actually on his way back from U-Haul. He's got to rent a U-Haul. So we got a small situation. My cousin Ronnie went to rent a trailer, and when we looked at the dimensions, they give you the dimensions from inside here to in there, from here to the gate. But you have this right here, this right here, and we went to load his side-by-side. His wheels hit right there. We thought we could finagle it in, but it didn't. So nobody else has a bigger trailer. Me being the nice guy that I am, I sent him with my card to go buy a brand new trailer. Yep. That's called looking out for people. Helping any way you can. The trailer's gonna cost me $2,500, but that's not the point. The point is helping people. That's what we do. We help people any way we can. It doesn't hurt you to help. Even if it doesn't cost you money, help them for free. I'm not worried about it. It's just money. I'll go to work and get more. I'll put more YouTube videos up. I'll get more money. Money's not the issue. The issue is I'm not leaving a family member or a friend behind for any reason. You roll with me, you roll with me. Period. Go ahead, Ronnie. That's a nice trailer, boys. I'd say Tractor Supply, not too shabby. Oh yeah. Nice. She fits nice. Yeah, buddy. That's how you roll. That's how you roll, guys. That's a nice freaking trailer. It's a nice trailer. Still got room for a couple coolers. I like how it's got the big tires on it. Heck yeah. That's a heavy trailer. That's a nice trailer. I like that trailer. To haul his side-by-side. And then we got to pack his trailer with some stuff. We have everything. We have huge tent. It's huge. Wait till you guys see it. It's going to be super huge. And we have portable shower. Because we're not grody. Listen guys, I like to have a shower every day if possible. Sometimes it's not always possible, but dang man, every other day at the very minimum, but definitely try to every day, because I'm one of them guys, I can't sleep at night unless I do. So we got the portable shower. Meemaw's bringing a portable bathroom. That's her thing, whatever. I don't do all that. We just use the porta potties. But yeah guys, she's loaded down. Spare tire is buried under the four-wheeler. So you guys were asking me to do a video on loading up everything. Now I didn't go into detail how we strapped it, but you can clearly see how I strapped it. Plus I have other videos explaining how I strap them, but you can see they're secure. They're not going anywhere. I bet if that trailer would flip, man, I bet them things would stick right to it. So guys, I can't wait. I'm gonna drop this video before we go, because this was requested. I wasn't even gonna do a video on this. This was requested by a few of you guys in PM, in comments and whatnot, and I said that I would do it. So I took the time to throw a little video together for you guys. That way you could see that you could listen. You could have 3 CFMOTOs, 1 Chevy Silverado. It'll haul all that just fine. I've had actually a heavier load on there. I hauled my cousin's Dodge with it. So yeah, make sure you get on over to Current RV, www.cfmotousaparts.com, because them guys are what make it possible for me to be able to do all this stuff, go riding and do these events with you guys. Make sure you use discount code capital red. But all right guys, I hope you can come to the CFMOTO meet with us this weekend, where we will be there tomorrow, which is the 18th, all the way through Sunday. We'll be leaving Sunday morning-ish sometime, unless we get packed up in time and maybe do a little riding, but I don't know. I'm not making any promises because I'm not really a Sunday rider. I'm gonna go home kind of guy. But that still leaves you the rest of the week if you can get out there to come ride with us. There's gonna be a bunch of people out there. I've had a lot of people in my comments and everything say they're going, so I'm looking for a really good turnout this week. I hope we can see you and cook some good food together. Come on over. I'm sure we'll have extra food. Come grab a bite to eat with me and everything, and we'll see you out there, guys. I'm gonna get in the house because I got coolers to pack. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. God bless.